In this video, I'll show you how to install UWA Styles to your EndNote Styles folder. When you install EndNote, hundreds of the most popular styles are automatically loaded. These styles are stored in a dedicated Styles folder located in the Applications EndNote folder. As you can see, these files have a .ens extension, which simply stands for EndNote Style. There are over 5,000 styles available on the EndNote website, which you can download into this folder. UWA has a number of its own customised styles to reflect the reference styles preferred by some disciplines. To find out which reference style you need to use, check your unit outline or ask your supervisor or unit coordinator. You can find these UWA styles on the UWA EndNote guide. You can choose to download a single style, or you can download all the styles bundled into this zip file. I'm going to demonstrate downloading all the styles. When you open the zipped file, either copy and paste or drag these files into the styles folder. So let's go back to our EndNote library. When you go to select another style, you now see the UWA styles ready for use.